Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Google Play reviews for your site in Wix. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you will have it, you will get on this site called Elsite. Elsite is an amazing company and one of the widgets they make is the Google reviews. Click here on sign up for free, and you want to sign up with the Google or sign up with the Facebook, it's completely up to you. And when you will have it, you just want to click here on login. Now, when we are right here, you want to write in search Google Play, and you're going to see here Google Play reviews. Create a widget. And when we will have it, you want to just add the Google Play URL rating. And now just layout, you can change the masonry or list. It's really up to you which one you choose. Now you got a review, classic, bubble. Let's leave the classic, and you can change the style. I'm going to click here on save. Now you have option which plan you want to choose. I recommend going with the basic or pro, but if you're starting out, choose the light one. That's like 200 views monthly. Nice. Now when we have it, just copy the code here. Click on add HTML frame. Enter the code. Voila. And here we have it. Now you can make it bigger, and that's it. So this is how you can add Google Play ratings for your site in Wix. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.